How's it going, YouTube? And welcome back to devlog number 2 for Crashers of Etheria. Make sure you check out Crashers of Etheria on Steam wishlist right now. You guys can view, there will be a link in the description down below, and you guys can come check out all the cool screenshots that we have and add it to your wishlist. That really helps us out, and make sure that Steam knows to help us promote that sort of stuff. So make sure you share it with all your friends. One of the first prompts now that you'll see most times that you come into Crashers will be this handy dandy changelog, and it'll go through all the different spells, abilities, changes to bug fixes, changes to cards, that sort of stuff. Super handy, just let you know what's going on and what's been updated. One of the most requested features that I had from my players was the ability to be able to customize and create their own decks. Now, while the UI here is not completed or finished, it is functionality working in terms of you can see all the cards, you can see all the cool tooltips. You can now have up to three of the same cards inside of a deck. You can add, remove, and save, and then use that deck online against other people. One of our main focuses over the summer was kind of refining the in-game UI. We decided to move a lot of the mana crystals up into the top and kind of just make that a whole lot smaller and more compact. You can now view how many cards are left in your deck. And we also cleaned up the card tray as well. So now the card tray isn't just a single button that goes up and down. You now have this more visual style to a card tray that closes and opens. We also added a couple extra buttons, such as the surrender button, as well as the mana draw button that you can now use inside your game. So if you have an extra couple mana left on your turn, you can spend it and kind of hyper roll for the cards that you're looking for. We got a lot of requests from newer players on the tooltip functionality and being able to hover over whether it was an opponent placed Crasher or your own to understand just what abilities or spells that they have and what they do. We updated the aiming to give you a little bit better feedback. Totems now are a little bit more clear. They now are colored based on if they're yours or your opponent's rather than what type of totem they are. We also upgraded the Nexus for your opponent and yourself. They no longer look like a totem, but their own element now that is blue or red to kind of give you that feel that what is yours is blue and what is theirs is red. One of the biggest things that I've been super happy with getting going so far this summer was the network smoothness. So as you play a game before, it was very much raw data, and when you shoot, it wouldn't be choppy, but you would be able to be like, oh wait, did you shoot? Like I didn't get to watch it all. And now it's more super smooth. Even on mobile, it's super smooth. You can see the Crasher completely glide over top of the surface and smash into somebody else. It's pretty cool to see. Currently in the game, we have 2 spells. We have a health potion spell and a smite spell. Spells inside of Crashers are all AoE based, so they affect multiple things at once. We also have a range of around 5 abilities right now, ranging from Cheap Shot, which neglects damage, to Charge, where you get to shoot the turn that you're placed, to even Quick Guard, where you can come to the aid of a fellow Crasher in need. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed all the updates over the summer, and we're going to start rolling a lot more updates now that things are going. We hope to try and do an early access sometime in 2021 early. We're shooting for January right now, but it could get moved out. If you're interested in the game, make sure you guys check out the Discord link down below. Come and join. And I'm always looking for people to come test the game. So check out the Patreon. $5 tier guarantees you access to come play. But if not, just come in to the Discord, come chat about it. Most likely I'm looking to ramp people up in the server anyways. And yeah, come and have fun. It's available on Steam for Windows and Mac now. And then I also have the Android build as well, cross-platform. So you guys can play with me, you guys can play with the other 50 people that I have so far, and maybe your friends too. So check it out, share this video, give it a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Hey guys, I just wanted to make sure that I give a nice shout out to all my Patreons over on Patreon. They're going to be in the following list for you. Timothy McCoon, KBT Craft, Mel Hearts. If you guys are enjoying these videos, make sure you guys check out the other ones available and my other videos in general. If you're interested in a little bit more of the tech on the multiplayer side, I run a great series multiplayer in Uni Node.js. This is exactly the technology that I'm using for Crashers. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff, check those out. Join the Discord. Let's have a chat.